हम है ना सीरीज में there was one chapter which was missing, and that is single entry. So it's a very important chapter from your CA foundation 100 marks paper point of view, and it's a tricky chapter, difficult chapter, lengthy chapter, blah blah blah. Again, not a chapter which has goodwill among the students. Well, they can ask 8 marks question, they can ask 10 marks question, they can ask 12 marks question based on single entry. There are two methods as we discuss about single entry. Purely and purely from exam point of view, single entry will have two types of methods. Single entry chapter, yeah, single entry question. First method, statement of affairs method, and second is conversion method. Now immediately we will talk about statement of affairs method. ये चैप्टर की बैकग्राउंड ऐसी है कि हमारा छोटा मोटा बिजनेस है, हमारे पास कोई प्रोफेशनल अकाउंटिंग डिपार्टमेंट नहीं है या अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट में कोई अकाउंटेंट नहीं है. हमारा छोटा मोटा बिजनेस होने के कारण हमने कुछ रफ रिकॉर्ड वगैरह रखा है, बट देन वी डोंट हैव अ सिस्टमैटिक रिकॉर्ड, यानी एब्सेंस ऑफ डबल एंट्री. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सिंगल एंट्री. Single entry does not mean only debit is recorded and credit is not recorded, or only credit is recorded but debit is not recorded. Single entry and absence of double entry. No scientific method. Now, even if you have not maintained books of accounts because you don't know how to maintain books of accounts, and probably you cannot afford to have an accountant who can maintain books of accounts on your behalf. Forget accounts department. तो भी आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो, छोटा मोटा हो तो भी आप बिजनेस ही कर रहे हो. एंड एज अ बिजनेसमैन यू विल लाइक टू नो योर परफॉर्मेंस. यानी एक बिजनेसमैन को पक्का ना पक्का मालूम होना चाहिए आफ्टर अ ईयर, which is a standard period under consideration, whether his business is making profits or suffering losses. अरे सर, अगर उसको नेट प्रॉफिट ही फाइंड आउट करना है या नेट लॉस ही फाइंड आउट करना है तो सर तो फिर आप गए, क्योंकि उसके लिए उसको ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट बनाना पड़ेगा. थैंक्स. That we can never prepare for the simple reason we have not maintained only books of accounts, so we do not have expenses and losses, debit balances, ledger account balances, and we don't have incomes and gains, credit account balances. जब नॉमिनल अकाउंट डेबिट होगा, नॉमिनल अकाउंट क्रेडिट होगा, तो एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर इंडिविजुअल नॉमिनल अकाउंट हम क्लोज करके ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. So we will come to know if incomes and gains are more than expenses and losses, it's a profit. If expenses and losses are more than incomes and gains, it's a loss. अब वो तो होने वाला नहीं है. तो सर हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे वही प्रॉफिट? सिंपल. आप बिजनेस करते हो, आपने बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स मेंटेन नहीं किया, बट स्टिल आपके बिजनेस के बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट बिजनेस अफेयर्स यू मस्ट नो. I'm using the word business affairs. What are those important business affairs? Well, one, you would know your closing balance of capital. You will also know drawings made during the year. Three, additional capital introduced. Additional what? Capital introduced. and 4 opening balance of capital. If you know 1, 2, 3, 4, which you are supposed to know as a businessman, then you can find out the same net profit, which otherwise you can find out by preparing trading and profit and loss account. सर आप कुछ भी बेटे बेटे फेंकते हो. Just by knowing these 4 items, I'll find out the net profit, and same net profit which otherwise I could have found out by preparing trading and profit loss account. Yes. Sir, how it is possible? Look at the screen. यह आपका कैपिटल अकाउंट होता है. सर आपने तो अकाउंट बनाया नहीं है. 1 मिनट, हैव पेशेंस. सब्र का फल मीठा होता है. यहाँ पे आएगा आपका ओपनिंग बैलेंस, यहाँ पे आएगा आपका एडिशनल कैपिटल, यहाँ पे आपका आता है नेट प्रॉफिट, यहाँ आता है आपका ड्राइंग्स, और तब जाके आपका क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैपिटल इज द बैलेंसिंग फिगर इन दिस कैपिटल अकाउंट. डू यू एग्री? यस, वी डू अग्री. इसमें न अग्री करने का सवाल ही नहीं है. दिस इज 20, दिस इज 30, दिस इज 40, so this total is 90. 90. This is 40 and this is 50. अब आप समझ लो मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ. You know your closing balance of capital. You know drawings made during the year. You know additional capital introduced. You know opening balance of capital. So can I say you can find out net profit in this account as a balancing figure? Guys, can you find out net profit as a balancing figure? Yes. Now this is the concept. This is the funda. Of course, I am not going to prepare capital account because I don't know how to maintain books of accounts. So I write the same thing, but in a statement form. So what am I going to do? I am going to prepare a statement which shows profit or loss. So it is called statement of profit or loss. Right? How do I start that statement? I will start with closing balance of capital. I will add drawings to it because it is there on the same side, debit side. From that I will subtract additional capital, and from that I will subtract opening balance of capital. If the answer is positive, it's a net profit. If the answer is negative, net loss. Khatam. Statement of affairs method is over. Now they may not give you closing balance of capital is 12 lakhs. They may give you assets and liabilities as on last day of the accounting year. You'll have to prepare working note and prepare closing balance sheet and get capital as a balancing figure. That will be with adjustment, without adjustment, depends. Exactly same way they may not give you opening balance of capital is 8 lakhs, but they will give you assets and liabilities on first day of the accounting year, and you'll have to find out opening balance of capital as a balancing figure. So statement of affairs method में ज़्यादा twist नहीं है, सिवाय the only problem that I did, question number 3, which was full of twist. Textbook का, अपने textbook का. Otherwise, statement of affairs method is absolutely manageable. Now, since it's a revision, so vision has to be there. मैं quickly आपके सामने format रख रहा हूँ. Statement of profit, loss for the year ended, say 31st of December 2024. Okay. How do I start? I will start with closing balance of capital. As on 31st December 24. अपने वाले एग्जाम्पल में that was 50. We'll add drawings. During the year. That is 40. So this total becomes 90. From that I have to subtract, बोलिए, additional capital introduced. कितना है वो? 30. So I get 60 less opening balance of capital 20. So I get 40 net profit. For the year ended 31st December 2020. अब उसके सिवा समझो उसने इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल के बारे में बोला, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स के बोला, सैलरी पेएबल टू द पार्टनर होगा, पार्टनरशिप होगा, कमीशन पेएबल, वो ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, यू गेट द नेट प्रॉफिट. देन जो भी एक्सपेंडिचर फॉर द बिजनेस होगा दैट विल बी डिडक्टेड फर्दर, और जो भी इनकम फॉर द बिजनेस होगा दैट विल बी फर्दर एडेड. That's how you will get the final profit, which is for distribution, which I call it as appropriation profit. So don't bother about statement of affairs method. ऐसा मैंने नहीं बोला, but basically statement of affairs method कंप्लीट करने के लिए आपको ये सिर्फ खोका मालूम होना चाहिए, कैपिटल अकाउंट का खोका, where everything else in capital account you know except net profit or net loss. So that will be your balancing figure. Are we done? Are we over and out with statement of affairs method? Yup. We talk about conversion method. Now this is a real challenge. Under conversion method, from the given information, we are supposed to prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year. Okay, and balance sheet as on last day of the accounting year. सर आपने बोला क्या कन्वर्जन मेथड में वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर ट्रेडिंग एंड प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट फॉर द ईयर. We are not having trial balance because we have not maintained books of accounts, so we do not have the closing balances of all personal, real and nominal account. Exactly. So sir, how we are going to do it? Well, sales can be cash, sales can be credit, purchases can be cash, can be credit. You will be given adequate information to find out sales. Sometimes you will get credit sales as a balancing year from debtors account. Sometimes you will get credit sales as a balancing year from trading account itself. Same thing with purchases. Credit purchases you may get from creditors account as a balancing figure, or you will come to know as a balancing figure from trading account. Remember, कैश परचेस बैलेंसिंग फिगर मिलता है कैश अकाउंट से या ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट से. क्रेडिट परचेजेस बैलेंसिंग फिगर मिलता है फ्रॉम क्रेडिटर्स अकाउंट या फ्रॉम ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. कैन नॉट बी डिस्कस अंडर कन्वर्जन मेथड रिवीजन. But I must educate you on one thing, that conversion method है ना, incomplete information we are converting into full-fledged final account. So यहाँ पे मुझे ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट, बैलेंस शीट और बीच में ऑब्वियसली क्या बनाने का है, कैपिटल अकाउंट. ये मेरे को कंपलसरी बनाने का ही है. Now they might have given you क्या, ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट, that is last year's balance sheet. That is the first thing. They also might have given you, information. Might have, they have definitely given you information. This information will talk about some transactions during the year. And closing balances of certain accounts. Transactions during the year and closing balances of certain accounts. ये आपको information provide की जाएगी. ठीक है. अब आपका काम क्या होगा? सबसे पहले आप इनकम्प्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन को कन्वर्ट करने वाले हो इनटू फुल फ्लेज फाइनल अकाउंट. सो आपको हर एक अकाउंट का डिटेल मालूम होना चाहिए. तो हाउ विल यू कम टू नो दैट? हाउ विल यू गेट दैट? सी सिंपल. आई विल प्रिपेयर रिलेटेड लेजर अकाउंट्स apart from me preparing trading profit loss account, capital account and balance sheet. I will prepare other related ledger accounts, and first just copy paste the information or transactions or closing balances or opening balances that they have given me in those accounts. Then I will follow the last step, that is establish the relationship and find out the missing things. और उसके भी पहले for you start maintaining these ledger accounts, आपको पहले डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कौन से लेजर अकाउंट्स बनाने हैं. सो अंडर कन्वर्जन मेथड इट इज पॉसिबल. वी विल प्रिपेयर opening balance sheet, possible because that's not completely given. 2, we will prepare a debtors account. 3, we will prepare bills receivable account if details are there. 4, we will prepare creditors account. 5, we will prepare bills payable account if details are available. Always remember, between debtors and bills receivable account must be closed first and then debtors account. This has to be closed first and second debtors account. Among creditors and bills payable, first you have to close bills payable account and then you have to close creditors account. ओनली कैश अकाउंट और बैंक अकाउंट और कैश एंड बैंक अकाउंट combined. Now, whether we have to prepare only cash account, only bank account, or cash and bank account depends upon the information given. If they have given you details about cash received, cash paid separately, we can operate separate cash account. In exactly same way, if they have given you details about bank transactions separately, we will prepare bank account. But if they talk about amount collected, amount paid, we don't know how you have paid and how much. How much you have received, we know, but how you have received, we don't know. Then we will prepare combined cash and bank. Just because opening balance sheet में cash balance is separately given, bank balance is separately given, that does not mean you have a prejudiced mind that I am going to prepare cash account and bank account separately. Sometimes फंसाने के लिए opening balance sheet is given to you, जिसमें cash and bank balance separately दिया है, and in information it gives you closing balance of cash also and bank also separately. अब आपके दिमाग में चलेगा हाँ मेरे को तो कैश बैलेंस मालूम है, ओपनिंग भी और क्लोजिंग भी अलग अलग, बैंक बैलेंस मालूम है, ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग अलग अलग. हाँ बाबा, that you will always record in cash and bank account also separately and then they take the total in outer column. That's how you write. That's what you have written in your NPO whenever you have prepared receipts and payments account. The point is not that whether the opening balance of cash and bank is given separately and closing balance of cash and bank is given separately. The point is how much ever amount you have collected during the year and how much amount you have paid during the year. पैसा कलेक्ट किया, पैसा पे किया, उसका डिटेल अलग अलग दिया क्या? If you have the information about cash collections and cash payment separately, then that from bank collections and payment from banks, so I will prepare separate account, no problem. Yeah, but if that's not available, even if I know my opening balance of cash and bank, oh yeah, and closing balance of cash and bank, oh yeah, I'm going to prepare combined cash and bank account only. Point to be noted. Then, sometimes they give you some lot of adjustment related to expenses, lot of adjustment related to incomes. So we prepare expenses and incomes account to find out income for the year or expenditure for the year. Stress लेना नहीं है life में. Then of course we will prepare, trading and profit and loss account, for the year. We will prepare which account? Capital account. And we will also prepare what? Closing balance sheet. सबसे पहले आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस आर गिवन इन इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर्म और ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस आर गिवन इन ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट ओनली विच इज फुल फ्लेज ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट. तो आपको ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट नहीं बनाने का. कहीं पे भी ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में बिल्स रिसीवेबल नहीं है, बट ड्यूरिंग द ईयर देयर आर ट्रांजैक्शंस अफेक्टिंग बिल्स रिसीवेबल, तो बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट कंपल्सरी बनाना पड़ेगा. इफ यू सी इन ओपनिंग बैलेंस बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट ओपनिंग बैलेंस, तो भी आपको बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट बनाना ही पड़ेगा. सेम लॉजिक फॉर बिल्स पेएबल. Very permanent rule. I have proved this in the class. Bills receivable account और debtors account साथ में बनाना है तो हमेशा याद रखना that first you have to close bills receivable account because it will affect debtors account, and then you can close debtors account. Exactly same way bills payable account को पहले close करने का and then creditors account. So debtors and bills receivable main कौन है? debtors account. उसका पिल्लू है बिल्स रिसीवेबल, तो पहले पिल्लू को सुलाओ फिर आप सो जाओ. ठीक है, याद रखना ऐसे एग्जाम में इट विल हेल्प यू. फर्स्ट योर मदर विल मेक यू स्लीप. हाँ, जब तुम छोटे थे, उसके लिए तो आज भी तुम छोटे ही हो, बट व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली फिजिकली ऑफ 2 years 3 years 4 years whatever, so first your mother is to make you sleep and then she used to sleep. So पहले डेटर्स और बिल्स रिसीवेबल है. पिल्लू अकाउंट कौन सा है? बिल्स रिसीवेबल. पहले उसको क्लोज करो, देन यू क्लोज दिस. ठीक है, ओके. अभी सर हमको ये भी पता चल गया कौन से अकाउंट्स बनाने हैं, क्या है. तो सर एक्चुअल ये सब ड्रॉ करने के बाद व्हाट इज द मेथड टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम? वेरी सिंपल. स्टेप 1, after you decide what to draw and you have actually drawn, write down the opening balances. Step 2, transactions during the year. Step 3, closing balances. अब ट्रांजैक्शंस ड्यूरिंग द ईयर माने जो भी इनकम्प्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन में ट्रांजैक्शंस दी है उसको फुल फ्लेज डबल एंट्री कन्वर्ट करके रिकॉर्ड करने के. Then you record closing balances. Of course, first in the account and in the balance sheet. And after doing so, go to each and every account and start closing each and every account on its merit. कौन से अकाउंट में कौन सी फिगर बैलेंसिंग होगी ये इम्पॉसिबल है रिवीजन लेक्चर में आपको समझाना. हाँ, बट in conversion method what you are expected to do that I have discussed with you. You can get from cash account cash sales as a balance figure. From cash account you can come to know cash purchases as a balance figure. You can come to know some particular expenditure which you are paid in cash. So there are a number of possibilities. That depends upon the situation. आपका काम क्या है? सबसे पहले सिंगल एंट्री कन्वर्जन मेथड का प्रॉब्लम है ना, सबसे पहले आप डिसाइड करो ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट इज कंप्लीटली गिवन और नॉट गिवन. तो अपने को ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट नहीं बनाने का. और ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में जो अकाउंट्स है वो पहले हमारे ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस है. तो उससे रिलेटेड जो लेजर अकाउंट्स बना रहे हो आप उसमें पहले ओपनिंग बैलेंस लिखो ना. फर्स्ट राइट डाउन द ओपनिंग बैलेंस. Then transactions during the year. How you normally maintain books of accounts? Come on guys, you start with opening balance, then you record transactions during the year. When you are recording transactions during the year, even if it is single entry chapter, we are converting the information into full-fledged final accounts, so we will always follow double entry. Then we will record the closing balances. So one opening balance, second transactions during the year, third closing balance. One opening balance, second transactions during the year, third closing balance. One opening balance, second transactions during the year, double entry, third closing balances. After doing this, you see एक account close करते हो, close करते हो, close करते हो, close करते हो relationship के हिसाब से, and that's how you can continue the problem. As of now, I have covered this much only because this is the standard procedure that you will follow in every single entry chapter. I will also see if I can discuss some one or two, typical problem wala situation, blah blah blah. But to solve any damn problem on single entry, whatever I have discussed in, this particular lecture of Amahena series is absolutely mandatory. Bye guys. See you soon.